Good day, and welcome to WWP Genetics. We're, we're thrilled to have you join us for another engaging and informative video. Today, I will be discussing Unlocking the Therapeutic Spectrum, Understanding Cannabis Beyond THC and CBD. Cannabinoids are a diverse, rich class of chemical compounds that originate primarily from the cannabis plant. They interact with the human endocannabinoid system, which is sometimes referred to as ECS. The endocannabinoid system is a complex cell signaling network responsible for maintaining balance across various systems, including mood, pain sensation, immune function, appetite, and sleep. While much of the public's attention has been historically centered on THC and CBD, scientific interest has begun to shift towards a broader range of lesser-known cannabinoids, such as CBN, CBG, and CBC. These so-called minor cannabinoids may exist in smaller concentrations in the cannabis plant, but their therapeutic potential is increasingly being recognized as major, especially when considered through the lens of the entourage effect. Okay, this entourage effect is interaction between cannabinoids, terpenes, and flavonoids. They may enhance the therapeutic properties of cannabis as a whole. THC, known for its psychoactive properties and strong binding affinity to CB1 receptors in the brain, has been well studied for its anti-nausea and appetite-stimulating effects. It also assists with pain regulation. CBD, on the other hand, lacks psychoactivity and interacts more indirectly with the cannabinoid receptors, contributing to anti-inflammatory, anti-epilepsy, and also helps with anxiety. And it does this without inducing any types of intoxication. These two cannabinoids have opened the door to mainstream acceptance of cannabis-based therapies. However, their widespread popularity has also overshadowed other critical cannabinoids, such as CBN, CBG, and CBC, each of which exhibits distinctive profiles and possible therapeutic benefits. CBN is a mildly psychoactive compound that is typically formed as THC oxidizes and degrades over time, which is why it is more prevalent in aged cannabis. Though initially dismissed as a mere byproduct of THC degradation, CBN is now gaining traction for its potential sedative qualities. Many users report that CBN-rich products may support sleep and relaxation more effectively than CBD alone, particularly when combined specific terpenes such as myrcene or linalool. Beyond sleep, CBN is being investigated for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and neuroprotective properties. Preliminary research has shown that it may reduce inflammation in conditions like arthritis and may even contribute to slowing the progression of neurodegenerative diseases by protecting brain cells from oxidative stress and damage. CBG is sometimes referred to as the stem cell or mother cannabinoid because it is the chemical precursor to THC, CBD, and CBC. In the early stages of the cannabis plant's growth, while it often occurs in much smaller amounts in cannabis plants, specialized breeding and extraction techniques are making it more accessible for research and therapeutic use. CBG has demonstrated a broad range of potential health benefits. Studies suggest it possesses potent antibacterial effects, especially against antibiotic-resistant bacteria such as MRSA. Additionally, CBG appears to exhibit anti-inflammatory effects on the digestive system, potentially aiding in conditions such as Crohn's disease. It also assists with irritable bowel syndrome and with ulcers. Its neuroprotective properties may also lend itself to treatments for neurological disorders, such as Huntington's disease. Furthermore, CBG may support appetite stimulation, regulate intraocular pressure, which makes the buildup behind the eye for glaucoma. So it has potential helpful for glaucoma, and aid in bladder dysfunction by relaxing the muscle of the bladder. Okay, now let's look at the cannabinoid CBC. Okay, CBC, though non-intoxicating and often overshadowed by its more prominent relatives, is emerging as a cannabinoid of significant medical interest. Unlike THC or CBD, CBC does not strongly bind to CB1 or CB2 receptors. Instead, it interacts with transient receptors potential, including TRPV1 and TRPA1, which are involved in the body's perception of pain and inflammation. These interactions suggest new neurons, particularly in areas of the brain associated with memory and cognition. This positions CBC as a possible ally in addressing brain health, such as dementia and traumatic injuries. It could be used as antidepressant properties and also been noted in animal models, offering a potential novel approach to mood disorders when used in tandem with other cannabinoids. Okay, so let's go over briefly the cannabinoids. Okay, so we have this THC, right? THC, the cannabinoid THC, which is for psychoactive. It gets you high. It helps with pain, appetite, and nausea. Then we have the CBD, which is non-psychoactive, and we could use this. Studies have been done to show that it's great for anxiety, inflammation, and help with epilepsy. Then we have the cannabinoid CBN, and it said it comes from aged THC and may assist with sleep. CBG is a cannabinoid precursor with potential benefits for digestion, glaucoma, and antibacterial properties. And last but not least, let's look at the CBC cannabinoid, which interacts differently with receptors and might support mood, brain health, and pain relief. Okay, cannabinoids have a ton of potential, but research is still evolving. What we know today is just scratching the surface. As laws change and science progresses, who knows, maybe in a few years we'll be discussing brand new discoveries about these compounds. I'm pretty sure we will be. Stuff is being discovered almost daily about this wonderful plant. Okay, so I hope you found today's video informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to stay updated on our latest content. For more exciting insights, be sure to check out our brother channel at WWP Logistics. See you in the next video. Thank you.